Suffering from thin or short hair? Not sure how to get that fuller and thicker hairstyle? Or maybe you're just tired of putting so much effort into getting your hair ready? Then this video is for you. After trying, testing, and experimenting with many different hair products and accessories, we found that 99% of them cause long-term damage and actually harm hair more than helping it. Then, we found Juvabun. Juvabun is a unique hair scrunchie with high-quality hair pieces wrapped around it, which gives a perfect messy bun look in seconds. No creams, combs, straighteners, or any other damaging hair products and chemicals involved. And the best part? It actually helps to keep your hair healthy. Don't believe me? That's fine. But here's what our customers have to say.
I found this product online and I have to tell you I absolutely love Juvabun.
Juvabun is really affordable. This is something that's not going to break the bank.
It's so quick and simple to create this look, no matter what kind of hair you have.
If you want to join the other 175,000 women that already use Juvabun, enjoy great hair days in literally seconds, and also keep your hair healthy, then click the link and see all the wonderful benefits you'll get by using Juvabun. Still there? Don't take your time too much. Juvabun has a limited amount of messy buns left in stock. Plus, they have a 60-day money-back guarantee if you're not sure about it. So click the link and enjoy hassle-free hair days once and for last.